Hey folks, it's getting hot out there, so I thought we'd come in the shade a little bit and talk about some shade plants. I'm here with the Extension agent, Gabrielle Milch, and we're going to talk about the famous cast iron plant. Kind of a neat guy. Just growing for the foliage. They call it cast iron because it's so tough. The Latin name for it is aspidestra. It was first, I guess it's from Asia Minor originally. This is the broadleaf one that gets about 3 feet. We also have the little dwarf one, Milky Way, which probably goes 1.5 feet in height. It has a little variation in the foliage there. This plant may get credit for being the first potted plant. They actually found remains of these in pots in the pyramids. So they're pretty tough guys. It's probably one of the best low light plants that we have. Just let it dry out between waterings and there's no bug or fungus issues. What do you think about this fella?
So when you're planting these in your yard, what do you space them about 2.5 to 3 feet apart in groupings?
Yeah, they're slow growers, but they will get kind of big, so probably that 2.5, 3 feet apart would be an ideal situation.
So do these plants take a lot of water to establish?
Not really. It's from Asia Minor, so it's a little bit likes it on the dry side a little bit. So that makes it a good house plant and a yard plant. But any place which we got really low light and we can't get a plant to grow, this is the answer there.
Yeah, there's a lot of questions. So the cast iron plant, pretty hardy.
Tough. No disease or insect problems. Really a great, easy plant for the beginning gardener, and I think you will get one of these for that troublesome area in the shade, and you'll do fine with it. Aspidestra. Thanks, folks. Jim Hunter with your short and sweet tip of the day.